Hey everybody, Miss Lauren here. Hey, I have this really fun cooking activity. Since we did camping, I thought this would be perfect. These are some s'mores bars, super easy to make, not many ingredients. I will go ahead and send you the link for the ingredients so you have everything ready before you do this video. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is wash your hands. Get all the ingredients out and ready on the table. So I already prepped this, some of it, but you're gonna go ahead and get a baking dish. You can put oil or butter at the bottom just so it doesn't stick. There you go. Then you go ahead and you're gonna melt butter, and you're gonna get about a half cup of butter, and you're gonna go ahead and put that in the bowl. Then you'll go ahead and crack the egg into the bowl. You'll go ahead and put a cup of brown sugar into the bowl. Go ahead and pack that in, perfect. And a tablespoon of vanilla. Perfect. And then you'll go ahead and whisk those ingredients together. While you whisk the ingredients, go ahead and have a friend or a parent put the oven on to 350. We've already preheated our oven, so we're good. Go ahead and whisk that really good. Once it seems pretty whisked together, you will add 3/4 of a cup of flour into your mixture. The flour will go ahead and bind the bars together, so 3/4 of a cup. Then you'll give that a little mix, just a couple of mixes on the flour. You don't want to overly mix the flour. Nice. And then for the fun part, once that's all mixed, I went ahead and I broke about 6 or 7 graham crackers into bits. You'll have your marshmallows and your chocolate chips, everything you would have for a s'more. So Pete's gonna go ahead and add those graham crackers in. He won't stir yet, he'll just add them in and eat one. So add those in, Pete, don't stir yet. Then he's gonna add, about a cup of marshmallows, but you can add more or less depending on if you like marshmallows or not. So you just add it in, whatever, it says a cup, but you can add more, you can add less. And then about a cup of chocolate chips. And it can be any kind of chocolate chips you want. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. Wonderful. Then you're just gonna give that a very gentle mix because you don't want to break apart any of the marshmallows or the graham crackers. You just kind of want to give it a gentle mix. Awesome. Then once that seems to be mixed through, you'll go ahead and pour your mixture into the pan. You'll evenly distribute the mixture through the pan. out of the bowl. We'll go ahead and press those down. Then you'll go ahead. Once you do that, you'll press them all down evenly, and then you'll put them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you what they look like when they're all done. Hey everyone, so the bars came out. I went ahead, I put the bars in at 350 and I actually baked them for more like 25 minutes. It took a little longer than the recipe had said. And I think if you bake them a little bit longer, they won't be as gooey, so maybe 25 to 30 minutes. Anyway, so here they are. They're out and ready. And if you'd like to add a little bit of whipped cream, just to make it more presentable, look at that. Now that is a dessert. I hope you enjoy making these and eating these. They are delicious. Happy camping!